Thank you. All right. So first of all, let me thank you again for joining with us. I mean, it's like a destination you have selected to follow English medium in your A levels, and with us, and with us mean again ApexOnline.lk. Uh, I'm pretty sure that some of you have heard about like ApexOnline.lk prior to this, because in Sri Lanka, like we have been like dominant an online education platform, that industry. And because of the features, because of the functions we have, so we have highlighted in the uh, trade. So, and again, like that's not only that, but also we have been on 2021 and 2022 consecutive NBQSA National Best ICT Award uh, for that. And that's not because of just a platform, but because of the features and the benefit that we are offering for you. And again, I warmly welcome our lecture panel here, Madhura sir, Mr. Madhura Lokukaluge, and Jeewaka sir, Mr. Jeewaka Premaraja sir. And we are having Mr. Ravindu. And we'll be having, after 2-3 minutes, we'll be having Mr. Amila Abeysinghe, Amila sir also. So I think in the session, our objective is today to introduce our panel of lecturers to you and their timetable, and also the way the methods, teaching methods of them that plan to deliver in next couple of years. So that's the main objective of us. And also while on that process, we'll be we'll be helping you to learn more in ApexOnline.lk platform, especially features and the benefits that you can get, because we expect you to get maximum outcome from the platform and the features that we have created. So that's our one objective in this program also. So first of all, I will call over Mr. Madhura Lokukaluge, Madhura sir, to introduce and talk to you about his plan, his work schedules, and also exactly just guide you what is exactly physics, and how do you, what are the like commitments, what are the capabilities you should have, or you should donate, you should aware about the subject to learn this A-level English, maths and biology stream. So actually, is Madhura sir is here? Sir, can you hear me, please? Let me introduce Madhura sir first of all. And Madhura sir is a well-experienced teacher in this industry, especially in 29 years of teaching experience in national A-level subjects, and also Cambridge EdExcel, and well-known school. It's a Lyceum International School in Nugegoda. And also while his time at the Lyceum, he was the head of physics and also head of science of laboratories, and again a resource person for physics in the Lyceum International School. Not only the Nugegoda, but also Lyceum Group International School. And he holds a bachelor's degree, special honor degree in Sri Lanka, and also he's a national A-level physics coordinator. So the main point he's having is he's got vast experience of teaching students in English medium physics. So I'm sure you guys, especially students and parents in this meeting, know about him already. You got to know about him, and also there will be some, previous experience with him. Some maybe past students, your elder daughters, elder sons must have learned from him. So that's the reason you have joined with us. That could be one reason actually. So let me call Madhura Lokukaluge sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir? And we have the other lecturer also with us, Mr. Jeewaka Premaraja. So I kindly request you to get in the, switch on the mic and camera also. And Mr. Jeewaka Premaraja is a professor of microbiology and integrative medicine. And also he holds PhD in education management and also MSc in applied chemistry. And also he's a BSc first class honors for chemistry and microbiology. And he's currently he's the MD, chairperson, CEO as a Chem ED Global and ACME Academy of Science Private Limited. So we have Jeewaka sir with us, and he will be teaching you in teaching your chemistry subject. And I cordially invite Mr. Jeewaka sir to speak to our students about his plan and the timetable and about the exactly what is our objective of this awareness program. So it's over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Hope you can hear me. Is it clear? Like,
yes, sir, you're audible enough. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So though it was like Mr. Madhura to start it, I think he's not available at the moment, I guess. So let's
So I
start.
think he was in the meeting and he has some technical issue. We sort out and come back while you're on your speech.
Great. So let me explain a few things about the syllabus as well as what we're going to do during the 2 years to come. At the moment, I'm actually residing in Melbourne, Australia, and then we'll be conducting it online as an online course, as you all know. So my residence and the location won't be an issue. And we have an assistant teacher, Mr. Ravindu Timantha. So he's there to support you when it comes to chemistry related questions as well as our program. So anything if you want to know, he's there to help you out with all this. So chemistry, as you all know, now when you learn science, science can be divided into chemistry, physics, biology, and those kind of things. So biology is also subdivided into zoology and botany, but then these days it's conducted as a certain subject of a subject full of all those things, the principles together. So it's like chemistry is one of the key subjects when it comes to science. So learning chemistry will give you a lot of exposure to a lot of things, and then that can make you what you are one day, because learning chemistry will open up a lot of doors to go abroad or maybe work in Sri Lanka, or just let's say becoming a doctor or an engineer is something else. But then other than that, there are so many other things that you can do with chemistry if you just follow chemistry for your higher education as well. In my case, I studied chemistry as my major subject in my graduate studies, and then afterwards, like at the same time, I did microbiology as well, and then afterwards, I wanted to do a master's in applied chemistry. So after that, in chemistry education management and certain psychological aspects of education as well. So when it comes to, let's say, the chemistry syllabus, advanced level chemistry syllabus, you get a few parts. One important part is known as general chemistry, and then you get inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, and then applied chemistry, where you get industrial and environmental chemistry. So these things are like kind of integrated, but then certain different disciplines. Now, let's say when it comes to the periodic table, everyone knows about the periodic table, I guess. So the periodic table has got a lot of elements, you know. But then let's say carbon is only one element in the periodic table. But then there are so many compounds formed with carbon as the major element in it. And then that sector is called the organic chemistry. You know what? So the organic chemistry is that. And then the chemistry of all the other elements will fall into inorganic chemistry. So that's how it goes into organic chemistry and then inorganic chemistry. And then these chemical compounds, when it comes to chemical compounds and their behavior, the elements and their behavior, their physiochemical behavior will be quantitatively studied, not qualitatively but quantitatively, because in inorganic and organic chemistry we learn it qualitatively, but then when it comes to the quantitative things, because chemistry is something like that, it's a multidisciplinary subject, so the quantitative things fall into physical chemistry. All right, so when you learn inorganic, organic and physical, these elements, like uh, the disciplines. In all these, there is a set of principles, facts, and basic things that you need to know. So the basics. So those basics are taken into one sector and called general chemistry. So we start with general chemistry, and then you have the little things that you need to know, uh, and then those things can help you out to understand inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Then when we move into our last part, that's the last part of the syllabus, that's industrial and environment chemistry and the environment. That part is called the applied chemistry, because one day when you learn chemistry, if you become a chemist one day, it will go towards the chemical industries. So in the chemical industries, what we do is we apply what we have learned in a subject one day in the industries, the manufacturing industry and so many other industries connected to chemistry. So with that, the next step is the environmental impacts of the chemicals and the chemical industries. So we have to look into various aspects of the environment, how to protect it, and then how to minimize the damage, because we are kind of using the natural resources to manufacture something new. And then with that, there will be certain changes happening to the natural existence of it and the occurrence of it, so that there will be issues coming up with those things, and then may be harmful to environment. So environmental chemistry today has become a really important topic. All right, so in our study here, in the advanced level chemistry syllabus, all these topics are addressed. So it's a really good subject, and it's an interesting one. So one day if you learn this well, it's kind of opening a lot of doors for you to go to the world, you know. So with that, after talking about this entire syllabus, there's another thing that we have to talk about, because you're gonna one day face your advanced level examination, which is not that easy, we all know. But then it's not easy only if you don't know the subject. But if you know the subject well, it's going to be really easy, you know. It's kind of like, say, people say that it's not easy because it's really competitive. Yeah, but then competition is there, like competitiveness is required, because otherwise there's no motive. But then to face the competition, you will have to get ready for your exam. So we have a certain program designed for the students to do the revision component properly, and then do mock exams, and then question reviews, past paper questions and their reviews, and how to write the reviews, and then how to approach a question and then get the answer easily within a very short time period. So with that, our focus is to complete the multiple choice paper, the MCQ paper, within 1.5 hours to 1 hour 45 minutes, so that the given 2 hours will be sufficient enough. So we have all these programs designed, because in our class, like I've been doing this English medium classes, both physical classes in Sri Lanka as well as the online classes from 2020 onwards. Because of the COVID only, we moved into the online platforms. From 2010, I've been doing English medium classes, and ever since we've managed to get the island's best English medium chemistry results from our class. And then I've been doing this teaching chemistry, actually the singular medium classes, starting from 2002. And then we have produced all these ranks from island first to island 10th so many times, several times, and then island second, island third, all the ranks, and so many other ranks, and a lot of doctors, more than 5,000 doctors, 7,000 engineers, and so many other science stream graduates. So this is how it goes. And then we have a mock exam paper program as well. Once you finish it, we can make it available for you guys to try it out. And I hope your assistant teacher, Mr. Ravindu, who will be working parallelly with me, since I'm in Australia right now, there's a time difference now is 4.5 hours, and then the time difference during the summer, it will be 5.5 hours. So sometimes to clarify doubts and all those things, I'll be most of the time there. But then if I'm not there at a certain time period, because of the time gap here, Mr. Ravindu will be there to help you all out. And then always when the classes are conducted, it's going to be my classes, the ones that we have already prepared. So Mr. Ravindu will be there always with you, guiding you through, and the tech part also will be handled by him. So I would like to ask Mr. Ravindu also to talk about this particular course, that how we're going to do it and all this. A short description would be sufficient. So I hope the clarification that I gave about the subject and how we're going to do it and how we're going to plan to get your guys into getting a good result is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can just get it clarified from me. I'm available.
Thank you, Jeewaka sir. Hi everyone, I hope I'm audible.
Yeah.
So yeah, like Jeewaka sir said, I'm Ravindu, and I'll be helping out Jeewaka sir with this set of classes alongside him parallelly, because we need to make sure that you get the best out of this. We need to make sure that despite Jeewaka sir being in Australia, and despite there being a time zone difference, we need for you to make the best of this. So I'm here to make sure that happens. I'm here to make sure that there is no issues, no conflicts, anything arising because of the time zone differences or any other reasons. And I'm here to bridge that gap and to make sure that everything goes smoothly. Like Jeewaka explained, we have a very well crafted program, and I hope that this program will help you out massively in preparing you for the advanced level examination. So along with Jeewaka sir, so Jeewaka sir will be conducting all the classes, all the lessons for you, and I'll be there in the class with you, so that if there is any question, if there is any doubt that you need to clarify, I can communicate with Jeewaka sir, and he'll be able to answer that question for you. I'll be able to help you out with the questions that may arise. So that's my role here. Like Jeewaka sir explained earlier, we have a very well crafted program, and we hope that you'll be able to maximize the benefits of program and maximize your results at your advanced level examinations in the future.
Thank you, Ravindu.
You're welcome.
Jeewaka sir,
Yeah, I'm there. Yeah.
Jeewaka sir, will you able to continue the session, or like is that over from your end, sir?
Yeah, I think from my end, we have explained everything. So I think it should go now to the other two lecturers. Yes, are they there?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, they're there. And I'll take a small chance to, in between that, I'll take a small chance to just to explain them what are the actually features available with us and at their journey with ApexOnline.lk, like what are the features they can use to, get the maximum outcome from them. So that's what I wanted to explain them.
Okay.
I'll take 2-3 minutes to explain that. And meantime, Madhura sir will join with the meeting, sir.
Great, great.
All right. My dear students, I think I'm audible enough to you. And if I'm not, if you can't hear me properly, please let us know. You may put a chat or just open your mic and just let me know if I'm not audible enough. And let me explain what is exactly ApexOnline.lk. Apex is like, let's say it's 2 decades. Before 2 decades, it was started as a small entity, as a tuition center. And we were running since like 1998. And thereafter, we have changed to, several segments. We have opened branch in Gaul, and we are collaborate with SEMA Sri Lanka. So we are the only tuition provider for SEMA UK in Sri Lanka, apart from Colombo and Kandy, I should say. And again, like in 2014, we have a partnership agreement with British Council. So most people know British Council. I'm pretty sure that many students have been in British Council in this meeting at their language development. And we have, we have joined with British Council in 2014, and we are the only teaching center for British Council for the course delivery. Because we have seen like several British Council franchises, partnerships are there for IELTS, Cambridge exams and other things. But we are the only British Council course delivery partnership center in Sri Lanka. And that's how we came. And in 2017, actually 2017, we have opened British Council center at Madhura. So at our original British Council center. And again, our journey was made a massive change when COVID hit, because in 2020, we were started to we have initiated, ERP system to our students, which means all our students are managed by a computer-based system. And when COVID hits, so in 2020 March, actually we have started our LMS part. So thereafter we gone online all over the country, not only Madhura, not only Southern Province, or not only Colombo, but we have spread it to all over the country. Means right now we are having around 25,000 active students in the system. We are catering them, we are serving them, we are educating them to their next generation. So we are proud to say in 2021 and 2020, we have won the consecutive prizes from NBQSA as a National Best ICT Awards. So that's how our journey came to here in 2023. If you take a like 2 minutes journey, so that's how we were. We have we have achieved our targets, and we have came to this position today in 2023, which launched in 2025 A-level exam preparation courses, exam preparation classes. So we are introducing English medium A-level classes at the first time of Apex Business Academy or ApexOnline.lk, and we have selected. We have negotiated with Mr. Jeewaka Premaraja, Jeewaka sir, and also Mr. Madhura sir, and also Amila Abeysinghe sir for combined max. I believe Amila Abeysinghe sir has joined right now with the meeting, and he can continue a session. And also, let me explain why Apex is quite special compared to the other platforms, because we have given opportunity you to make your let's say make your future very sophisticated way because of this online platform. We have a strong communication system, SMS service, that means automated service. So whenever class starts, you get SMS. Likewise, whenever tutorial uploaded, whenever test exam uploaded, so you will be notified by SMS. So that kind of automated exam system, SMS system also available with us. I think that will be really help you, not only you exactly, but also your parents, because parents got to know what are things that your child can do, are scheduled to do, because we are sending SMS for students and parents also. So, and also there's some option called Q&A forum, like Jeewaka sir said. You can always, there's a time gap, of course, from Australia or Sri Lanka, but still you can keep in touch with him using Q&A forum. Q&A forum is a question, you can answer question from sir, and also some questions. For that question, student can answer, and meantime, Ravidu can manage the Q&A forum, and sir can give the exact answer. Likewise, there's a chat system. So that also, that you can take maximum outcome, maximum advantage from, especially Jeewaka sir, because of time gap and that you are having. And I think we have the ideal person to run that as a assistant for Jeewaka sir, Mr. Ravindu Timantha. And again, I should say, we are providing new videos, because these days the issue is when online classes conducted, and there's no more options to go through and see the replay session or go through and check that video. So we have encrypted video system and also normal video system, which means a student can log into system ApexOnline.lk using password, their username and password, and they can go through the past lessons by using our video system. And again, I should say, we are having we are having a dedicated server. Let's say it's a dedicated server for us. So that gives us a proper sounds to conduct a proper exam system, especially essay exams and MCQs. Those exams we can conduct online, because these days issue is when we are conducting classes online, students can join with classes, but for the exams, for their evaluation methods, so they need to physically walk to or go to institutes. So here with Apex, we don't have that issue actually. We can conduct exams, so not only you like students, but also like 1,500 students at once. So I think even in Sri Lanka's universities has no that kind of dedicated server to conduct that number of exam. At once, that they can't serve in exam to 1,500 students, but we can. So that because of the server we have. And like you say, like if it is example, like I can see a student from ART 2024 69018, Sachini. So Sachini can see her exams, her MCQ attempts, her marks, her papers, her tutorial, all the things, all her belongings, all her study materials, even after 2 years, if she joined to the system. That this server is dedicated, this server always gives your child a special dedicated place, dedicated cloud space to your child, because your child can, whenever they can log in system, they can refer videos and they can refer materials and all, everything on your fingertip. We call it, we call it, it's a, you have everything on your fingertip. That's how we do. And also, I took, I think, 2 or 3 minutes. And if we continue this session, I mean, if you are continuing this session, explaining features and all these things, just to showcase about what exactly we are. So that takes at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm not taking that much longer, because when we start the class, definitely, I mean, with a screen share, with a video playing, always we can explain you how does this system work, and also what are the features that you get. So I'll hold this features explain session right now, and I'll hand over our session to Amila Abeysinghe sir. And again, meantime, after Amila Abeysinghe sir, I will just explain what exactly how we are conducting this session and the remaining time. So Amila Abeysinghe sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So can we start the session? Super.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
Hi. So let me explain you. I mean, let me brief about your profile first of all, because there should be some students they're more interested in know about your profile, sir. And
Okay.
yeah, Amila sir, he's like you know him as a well-known combined maths teacher, right? And actually he's from Anandya, proud product of Anandya College, Colombo, and he holds bachelor's degree in mathematics special, and he's having masters in mathematics education, University of Colombo, and he holds more than 11 years of experience conducting and helping students, conducting classes and helping students for their mathematics stream. And right now, he's a leading tuition master, especially in Nugegoda, Gampahan, Colombo. And I'm pretty sure these young kids have seen him on YouTube, and his YouTube channel is quite popular. So you can go through after this session, even you can go through YouTube and just see exactly what his learning method, what are the like pattern, what is the pattern exactly he teach. So Amila sir, it's over to you. You can just carry on this session with explaining what are the plans you got to deliver these students, and also about your, if you explain more in like about your timetable, and also like overall as a mathematics student, what kind of object, what is the scope that they should have at the initial level. It's over to you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Gihan. Do we have any students who are willing to do, who are going to do A-level in math stream? Raise your hand if you can. I need to see if there are anyone. Can they raise their hand, Gihan?
Yeah, there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
We can see
No
some
matter
hands
what.
always in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure. So we will be starting our classes tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow evening, Friday. From the very beginning, we must work. That's the main point we need to know. So we will be starting from the very first lesson. We have 39 lessons to be covered. So we will be starting from basic algebra. No need to introduce me. So Gihan give me a big one. So now the first thing is, first you have to take the first step. Then we will be going on our journey, taking small steps. That's the main thing, and consistency, right? So that's the main advice I'm going to give you, all the students who are going to do in combined maths, and we will be doing all the lessons. And tomorrow evening at 2:30 p.m. there will be the online session and as well as the physical class. I'm doing the physical class at CCG, Belkade. But while doing that, I will be live streaming all the content to all the online students. So you can join whatever the method you use, you can join. You will have the tutorials and everything. So you may join the class and you can do all the things, all the content, all the exercises, all the theory parts with me. And I will be starting with the lesson, fundamental algebra, basic algebra. So we will be learning all the things about numbers, class intervals, and how to identify some letters, all the things. So thank you again, Gihan, for joining me. So the class will be done on Friday evenings, and it will be the permanent time, and I will be doing the class from tomorrow. So hope you all join the class. So see you tomorrow. Thank you, Gihan. Thank you everyone for being here. So see you all tomorrow. Thank you. I'm in a little bit hurry because I'm doing the revision class at the moment. So apologies for everyone for being so fast and, okay. Thank you again. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Can I leave, Gihan? So I need to discuss the paper. Is it okay?
All right, sir. Please. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
All right. Let me get back to Madhura, sir. I think he's right now with us. Madhura, sir, is it audible? Can you hear me, please?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Super.
Shall I? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You're audible enough. Let me
But
introduce
I
you
think
further.
my video is not working, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's
Unable
fine.
to-
I think we can continue the same as this.
Sir,
Right.
there's a problem with my camera, I think.
That's actually that's
I
not
use
a problem, sir. We can carry on. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Actually,
Okay,
Madhura,
good
sir, at the start, I was thinking you to hand over the session at the finish. I mean, for the first speech, but
Yeah.
with your technical issue, we had to postpone it to the last session. I'm sorry about that.
Yes. Yeah. No
And
problem.
dear students, let me introduce Madhura sir again once more time. Madhura Lokukaluge is the BC Special Honor Degree holder and 29 years of teaching experience, especially in Cambridge A-level and EdXL, Lyceum International School, Nugegoda. So he is like expert in physics education in A-level section, A-level stream. So because that's the reason I'm saying is he's a head of physics at Lyceum International School, and also he's a chief examiner for physics. While all, he's the resource person for physics, not only for Lyceum Nugegoda, but also Lyceum group of school. So entire school chain. So the best thing is he's got 29 plus years of experience with him about physics and also in English medium especially. So I think this will be a massive change to our student because his vast experience especially help you guys to develop and you are learning tactics, not only subject but also tactics and all the strategies about toward the exams. So it's over to you. I expect you to just to explain especially about the object of this program and also your learning plan, your delivery plan, and or else if you have any strategic plan. So if you have any let's say any supportive things that we can discuss with students, that should be really appreciated if you can go ahead with the sir. It's what you, sir, Madhura, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Right. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm unable to start my video. I'm using my mobile phone. At the moment, I'm in the school. So sorry about that because I can't get a leave today. I'm a teacher at Lyceum International School. I have been teaching at Lyceum for 29 years. I'm a head of physics Lyceum, and as that sir explained, I have like 29 years experience in teaching physics in EdXL and Cambridge and National A levels. Especially I focus on national A levels because mainly almost all our students are doing national A levels. When it comes to physics, children, actually physics is now when you do O levels, you think that physics is a difficult subject. But what I feel is that physics is the most interesting and the easiest subject out of all the other subjects. That's what I feel, right? Actually, physics is your life. Physics is your life because everything what you do is because of physics. For example, say you breathe according to physics principles. We discuss this under gas laws. And your heart beats because of physics principles. We discuss this under hydrostatics and hydrodynamics. And you can see according to physics principles, children. We can discuss them under geometrical optics or light. And also you can hear according to physics principles. We can discuss them under waves and vibrations. And you walk according to physics principles. We discuss them under friction and equilibrium and linear motion and so on in physics. So your entire body works according to physics. And also, if I say you do sex according to physics principles, everything in your life is physics. All your body works according to physics principles. And when you look up, children, I know that you have seen the blue sky. I don't know whether you know why the sky is always blue. And when you look up, you see the white clouds. Yeah, do you know the reason for that? Yes. And rainbows and the rain and the clouds and the mist and everything is because of physics. Your life is full of physics. If you understand these physics principles, only children, you can see this world, the beauty of the world. Then you can see this world in a different way. Not only to go to a good university, not only to get an A for physics, you should study physics because physics is your life, right? So that's about physics. I can discuss more about physics when we start the class. And also, if we talk about the plan of our class, now normally we conduct the class in Mondays, or on Mondays rather. On Mondays, we start off with 2-hour lesson. And as time goes on, I thought of extending this class from 2 hours to 3 hours. And at the end, we'll go from 3 hours to 4 hours because 2 hours is not enough to cover our syllabus. And also in my classes, now I have been doing national levels for 29 years, right? So normally when I do my classes, I do all the theory notes, soft copies, if it is online. If it is physical class, we can give you printed notes. But since it's online class, I can upload all the theory notes and the question tutorials. We have question tutorials from world famous books, Objective Physics, College Physics, and Pacific Physics. Those tutorials are named as Objective Questions, Pacific Questions, and the other one is College Physics Questions, right? Those are the tutorials. And also, children, you'll be getting past paper questions, past 45 years of past paper questions. Now, I have past paper questions from 1975 onwards. I don't think that you have time to do all those papers, but you can do as much as possible. I have past paper questions for 45 years. So I can give you all those past paper questions, MCQs, multiple choice questions, and essay questions, and structured questions, tutorials, and the theory note of each topic. And I hope I can teach you so that you can understand the basics of physics, not to memorize physics principles. Now, I know that in all your classes, you have done physics, but I don't think you have studied physics. Doing physics and studying physics are completely different. You can memorize the laws and the principles and the equations by heart, and then you can go for the exam. I don't think that it would work, right? Studying is very different. When you study physics, you have to understand carefully, you have to listen to the teacher, right? You have to listen to the teacher, you have to understand. And if you understand these physics principles only, you can keep them in your mind for a longer time. I think Mr. Jeewaka and the other teachers, they explain about their lectures, and Mr. Jeewaka is one of my, friends in Calais University. And Mr. Jeewaka knows that even I do physics now, I'm a microbiologist, right? So I have done microbiology special degree, but I can say that I have done microbiology, studied microbiology. Now I can't remember anything in microbiology, but physics, I understood everything when I did my when I did my A levels. I understood physics principles. Therefore, still I can remember everything what I did in physics in my A-level classes. So you also, children, always try to understand. If you understand something only, you can keep that in your mind for a longer time. If you try to memorize without understanding, I don't think that you can memorize them for a longer time. You forget them within few days time, right? So I try my best to teach you so that you can understand the physics principles, physics concepts. Then I don't think that it's difficult for you to memorize them, especially when you go to an exam. So we'll see you on Monday. I'm also a little hurry because I'm in the school. I have now classes. And also my apologies for not working my camera. If you want, you can go to internet and search my name, and you can watch my videos. There are many videos available in modernphysics.lk platform. If you want, you can watch them. And hoping to see you on Monday. I thought of winding up my small, speech. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, children. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you, sir. And let me go back to the main flyer, because in the chat there are some students have asked from me about the class starting dates and the time. So you can see them, their timetable, especially Madhura Lokukaluge sir, Monday, June 19 at 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And Jeewaka sir, Saturday, June 17 from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And then Amila Abeysinghe sir for combined max, June 16th from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And here we go for physics, chemistry, and combined max. And I should say there'll be a teacher, there'll be a lecturer for biology also. So keep in touch with us, because we'll be informing you. We'll be just sending a promotion SMS and aware about you, the biology teacher. And going back to the Apex. So Apex is the platform which I've created for you. Like I said, not only for class delivery, but also for other academic also. So today we are here in a seminar section. It's a seminar section that gives that for like conducting all the free seminars, awareness sessions, awareness program. Like, I mean, simple example is, it is just like a main hall of the school. So any student, any parent, anyone can come and join in that session. So that's how we conducting today. But thereafter, some certain class IDs for you for your particular subject. Example, physics subject, you have a different classroom. Chemistry subject, you are having different classroom. Likewise, we are having biology, combined max, different classrooms are there. So this is the interface of student view, actually. So this is dummy of student view. So when you log in system, so you already log in system, but I'm just trying to telling you how to select your class. So there's a view all class button, which you can see in red tab. And when you scroll down, there are classes, which is, I mean, what are the eligible classes for your certain age level, certain study level. And also from that, there's a filter for lecturer. You can select lecturer. See, as example, we have select Amila Abeysinghe. In the Amila Abeysinghe, he's already conducting classes at Apex, Sinhala Medium Combined Max. So you will find him as a tutor at Apex. So there are 3 classes for him. So likewise, even Jeewaka sir, Madhura sir, all the classes you can select from the viewing of all class and the selecting the lecturers. So that's the basic thing. Next day, next session you have to do, because this is a seminar section, is a visible section for each and everyone. It is just like a main hall of a school. So, but next week or not, you need to go inside your particular classroom. That's how it works. And also, I should say, we have a strong helpline, student helpline, special technical and customer support is helpline. So which is open 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. every day. So I believe education provider, or else let's say a supportive class center, will not have such service in Sri Lanka, but we are strong enough to say we are having around 15 call center agents, and 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. we are ready to help you. So they are all like a well-known about system, and also technical aspect, and also some delivery methods about all everything. So they know. So you can get help out of them, and they will help you from in the morning 7:30 a.m. 9:30 p.m. So you just simply dial 070-222-9555. So I request your students to please write down this number or have a screenshot about this number. So later on, even you can share with your colleagues, your subordinates, or your friends, because we know, like in English medium A level, so there are some certain contacts with students. So you people, especially you students, are having contacts with other students, and you can just make them aware about the today's session, and we'll be replaying this session with sending SMS. By sending SMS, we are replaying this session. So ask them to join with the session, and then get the idea about this session and your A-level English medium studies. Because English medium online learning, it's as an institute, I think it's quite uncommon, because people are conducting classes using like a private Zoom channels. But here we are offering you with all the features as same as the other students. So that's how I want actually, it's a request from you students to just to share this number and share about this program that we had today, and they can watch again this program by joining the same section in a different day. Let's say in tomorrow onwards, that will be available as a replay session. So I will not take too much time because it's almost 10 past 10. So can I ask, is there any particular question, any question related to system, or any questions related to what we discussed today? Please do ask from me. And my IT team is also there with me. So any technical matter, so you can get the help from them. Dear students, if you have any questions about related to today's session, or else about the technical issues or about the system, please do ask from us. We will wait another 2-3 minutes if you have any questions with you to ask. All right, it seems like no questions up to now. So, and also I request from my IT team to just to show them about our Facebook page and also our YouTube channel, because I'm pretty sure that you guys need some knowledge about schedules and also some supportive videos about the exams, how to do exams, how to register. Likewise, about the system, we have some short videos. So please do visit ApexOnline.lk YouTube channel and also ApexOnline.lk Facebook page, so you can aware about the products we do. And also this is the ApexOnline.lk YouTube channel, so you'll get this is the Facebook page, and you get all the update about products and also timetables, everything you get. And I request just to show them about the YouTube channel also, because and also students can have a screenshots about these channels, and then later on they can go and explore about the channel and videos. You may go to ApexOnline.lk YouTube channel to get to know about how to attempt exams, how to do MCQ, how to register as a student, how to select a class. Likewise, there are some certain videos, not only promotional videos, but also some helpline videos also available in that YouTube channel. So this is our official YouTube channel. So you can go and check these videos about about how to get more knowledge about system. Thank you. And I think we have done for the today. And also I would really appreciate if you can just write down this number 070-222-9555. This will work as a voice call or as call center. And also this will, you can send a text message to this number 070-222-9555. You can just drop a text message. And not only that, but also you can send a WhatsApp message also. So this number is available not only for calls, but also WhatsApp and SMS also. So if you ask any questions related to this, what we discussed today in WhatsApp, we can reply, and also text message, we are available to help you out. So I think we have done for the today. I see Ravindu Timant is still available. Thank you, Mr. Ravindu, being with us. And Jeewaka sir also still with us. Jeewaka sir, we are just about to finish the program today. So if you have anything miss with you, please give word to them, or else we can say into this program. Ravindu, any recommendations?
Nothing to add. I think we covered everything. So I've got an understanding about the program and how it works, and hope to see you at class.
Super. Thank you. All right, my dear students, and we are ending the session today. And thank you for being with us. We are from ApexOnline.lk. If you have any more further details to inquire from us, please dial 070-222-9555. Thank you very much. You have a good day.